What's going on, guys? We're about to head out to the Toyota Music Factory in Irving, Texas. We are taking the GTR out to the show. It's going to be a good one. I heard there's supposed to be a lot of exotics, and Steve's POV may show up in his Ferrari 458. So let's go ahead and get to the show. So we got quite a few cars here already. The show starts in about another 20 minutes. You got a BMW i8. Doors open, up. Of course, my GTR, doors that don't go up, so they stay shut. But check this out. We got a Camaro with doors that go up. And this guy has this thing decked out. Not just on exterior, but engine-wise as well.
Look on the armrest.
Oh yeah, that's it too.
You can see the kick plates, glyphs all over the place.
How much horsepower has it got?
Yeah, with the nitro shot, probably 1,000.
Hey! Nice, man.
Nice. The wheel. It runs on the 85.
Oh, that is sweet. Well, if you're into Transformers, you're gonna love this. Look at that. Look at this. These rims on this car, absolutely amazing. Low to the ground, on bags. I don't know, look at this custom emblem on the front. I don't think I've ever seen something customized like that before. That is sick. Carbon fiber hood. That fitment is perfect. Buckle spoiler. That is awesome. Woo, got a purple. That sounds good. 570. Look at this classic we got. Woo! Look at the engine on this thing. Wow. Oh yeah, he put some money in this thing. That is clean. Wow. Toyota Supra. Woo! Yes, sir. That sounds good too, baby. Oh my god. Wrong way. One more down. There you go. Nobody knows how to get in this car show. Woo! Oh, baby. Ooh, that color looks nice, my man. Oh, that Ferrari sounds sick. Ooh, this thing's decked out. Ooh, baby. Okay, on a side note, totally unrelated to anything at the car show, but look at how that building sticks out, how far it sticks out. Can you imagine if you were driving on that road and that thing collapsed on your car? Oh hell no. Let's hear this Acura SX again. He got custom wing on the back as well with the rims. And he just bought it too. Wow. Underrated car. Wow. And you know it's Fire Wave and they want to come check it out. Woo! Oh, he is actually checking it out. Look at that. Wow, that's funny. Now, that's how you ain't gotta worry about traffic right there. You flying on a helicopter. For a Nike shoe that he bought, if you're wondering why all the colors. how loud that actually is. It probably won't pick it up on camera, but it is loud. It is insane.
It's so loud.
I know. It's what I'm saying. All these Lambos right here are straight pipe. You can't even tell if they're turned on right now from how loud that Aventador is, especially with the turbos. Get a little muscle car action. Ooh. It sounds like another Aventador coming. It's so far away and I can hear it.
Sounds like a Lambo.
Oh, it's Steve's POV. 458 wide body showing up. Has one of the sickest wide body 458 you'll ever see, and pretty much straight pipe. It sounds insane. Let's see if we can get him when he turns around, because he always sends it. Look at that thing, baby. Now he's up, now he's down. That is so great. Get them brakes going, baby. Oh. You can still hear it. Yes, sir. Send it, Corey. Good, buddy. As long as no cops show up, boys, we're gonna get some good sends on this video. Guarantee it. Never in my life have I seen somebody send that kind of car. Acura NSX, let's go, baby. That told me that don't sound good. Come on. Yellow Camaro that's coming, 1,000 horsepower. Let's see if he sends it when he leaves. That sounds like 1,000 horsepower to me. Woo! Setting off car alarm. He's revving up. He pissed. Oh shit. Woo! We made it, boys. We made it. Dang. He's letting his kid drive it. Alright guys, that concludes the car show at the Toyota Music Factory. We got a lot of sick cars coming in here. That classic though, woo, I've never seen someone send it like that around here. The Lambos were insanely loud. It will not pick up on camera how insane that is. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. Like the video and follow me on Instagram at Rev2Redline for all future content coming up. See you guys later.
Say that it feels right.